Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here. In this video, I'm going to talk about lead pond. So if you're a solo agent, you really don't need to pay attention to this video. You can go to the next one. This video is going to be geared towards those that either run a team or have a brokerage with multiple users on Lofty. Now, before we jump into the video, into the meat and potatoes, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content because sharing is definitely caring. All right, so where do you find this lead pond? Well, you're going to go under your settings tab and you scroll down on the left side under features is lead pond. Now, if you're with, depending on what plan you have, you may not even see this, or if you're on a team or a brokerage account, they may not have it set up. So if you don't see it, don't worry about it. But if you're a team leader and a broker, pay attention to this. So lead pond, boom. Now you can add a lead pond. You can have multiple lead ponds if you want to. I don't have any lead ponds set up because I don't run a team anymore. I'm a solo agent, but you click lead pond, you can name it. Let's name it this because that looks like it's great. Select the owner. It's going to be me, of course, and then the users. So these will be all of the agents on your team or brokerage, whatever it is, and you can select the people that should have access to this lead pond. Now you're wondering what exactly is a lead pond? What a lead pond is, just think of it as kind of a catch-all. So if there's leads out there that you have that are maybe cold leads, dead leads, or just something, and there's agents that want to pick up more business, you can have people dump any cold leads or any leads they want into this lead pond, and then the selected agents have access to those leads that they can take them and start to work with them. This worked really well when I had newer agents on the team because they were clamoring for business. They don't have really a sphere of influence. They would go into the lead pond, find some leads, and start working them, start calling them, texting them, whatever it is. So it's a great way to kind of store some leads that you're willing to give away or willing to pass on to anybody else. Also, the agents in the lead pond, they can do the same thing. They can put a lead in there if they want to. Maybe it's out of their range, out of their area they don't look for, whatever it is. So the lead ponds are kind of a catch-all. And it's a great way to kind of, you know, have agents get a shot at these leads. And it's first come, first serve. So when the lead goes in there, the first agent that takes it gets that lead, goes into the agent's account, and it's theirs. And then they can pick up the marketing. Now, the customized email signature. So if you have any leads on a smart plan that are in the lead pond, well, that's going to come from the pond owner, okay? Because that's the pond owner put them in. But if you want to customize the email signature, maybe you want to have just a generic one from your assistant or whatever it is, that can be edited as well. But this is just my email signature. And then when it's all said and done, you hit add. So now you've got just lead pond. And now it's going to show up here. So under, if you missed it, I went to people. So under the leads, now there's a lead pond. So now if they click on this, oops, sorry. So if they click on the lead pond, so yeah, there's no leads in it. That's why it kept kicking me out. But that's how you can find leads. So again, when people go to their CRM, but if they want to look at, hey, I want to find some leads, they can, all the people that will have access to that. So long story short, if you're a team leader or a broker, lead pond is for you. If you're a solo agent, don't worry about it. Now, before I go, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, and share because again, sharing is caring. Have a great day.